falling, and I can't go to the park today. But wait, do you hear that? The rain is singing a song for the plants. Wait. Look at that tiny sparkle in the raindrop. Wow! Did you see that? Every single raindrop has a tiny secret rainbow hiding inside. It's like the light is playing a game of hide and seek with the water. I wonder, if we can see tiny rainbows in the window, can we find a way to make a big one right here in the room? If the sun and the rain can make a rainbow outside, I bet we can make one right here. All we need is a little bit of water and a beam of light. Are you ready to see some magic? We did it! Look at all those colors. It's just like the ones in the raindrops. Do you want to know the secret of how the light turned into a rainbow?
When we see a beam of white light, it is actually made up of different colors.
When that beam of light hits a raindrop or a glass of water, it slows down and bends. Each color bends at a different angle, and pop, out they come as a beautiful rainbow. With red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colors.
See? When the sun and the rain work together, they make something beautiful. Next time it rains, don't be sad. Just look for the hidden rainbows. Thanks for exploring with me, friends. See you next time. If you liked our adventure, click the like button and subscribe to Kids Social Stories for more. See you next time.